Warning: watching videos of baby birds may release oxytocin in the human brain and reduce your stress levels.